Dear Madam, para, thank you for your letter of the 4th instant asking for our latest price list of lead customs. Para, may we draw your attention to the fact that we are holding our annual sale on the first next month, and the customer contained in the list are fully displayed in our store, as have been a regular customer of ours for many years. We should be pleased if you would come in to our showroom before the sale, when you can make your choice, and we shall pleased to hold them in stock until the commencement of the sale. By taking advantage this offer, you will be able to make a considerable reduction on the price of the garments. Para, may we point out that we have numbered the customers on display to correspond the numbers contained in the price list. Please bring your list with you, as you will find it easy to pick our the garments you would like. The prices marked on the list will be reduced by much as 50% on the day of sale. Para, tea and biscuits will be served every day between 3:30 and 4, and we are sure you we enjoy your visit, even if you do not decide to buy. The slip attached will serve as admission for 3 persons to our premises on any before the sale. Yours truly.